Welcome back to our new video fans. Today we are going to talk about how to change font size in vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your font size in vivo phone, so you can change in this video. Guys, I will tell you how to change it. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you, if you are in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on display and brightness. Then guys, you can see font size. Then guys, large size, small size, default size, large, extra largest, and guys largest. And guys, come back. So guys, you can see extra largest font size has changed. So I hope friends you have understood how to use font size setting and guys how to change font size in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.